Hi guys, welcome back to my class today. And in our lesson today, we are looking at conversion of numbers from one base to another base. Previously, in this tutorial, we considered conversion of base 10 numbers to other bases. And we also considered in a different videos, other bases to base 10 numbers. That is the conversion. Now, in this lesson, we want to see how we convert one base other than 10 to another base other than 10. Sit down and enjoy the lesson. Let's start with question number 1. Now, to achieve that, what you do first is to convert the number given to you in one base to base 10. And when you have converted it to base 10, from that base 10, you convert it to the other base. All right. So let's convert this number first to base 10. I'll have 132 base 4. So base 10 means expansion by 4, multiplying by their indices and summing up. So we have 1 times 4 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4. Then assign indices 0, 1, and 2. Now 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 2, we have 2. 4 raised to the power 1 is 4. 4 times 3, we have 12. 4 power 2 is 16. 16 times 1 is 16. Then add up all the numbers. We have what? 30. So this number now is in base 10. But the assignment is to convert it to base 5. Now to convert 30 to base 5, we have to divide 30 by 5. Now 5 divided 30 will give us 6 remainder 0. Remember that we are only interested in the remainders. Now 5 divided 6 will give us 1 remainder 1. Then 5 divide 1, it cannot go. So write 0 and carry 1. All right. You must always obtain a 0 before you stop dividing. So the answer becomes, take it from down up, 110 in base 5. So we've succeeded converting base 4 number to a base 5 number. So look at the process again. Convert that given number to a base 10 number first. Then use the base you are converting to divide the number you have converted to base 10. Then you obtain the number in base 5. Let's solve question number 2. Now we have 1101, 01 base 2. We are converting to base 3. So, but first, let's convert it to base 10. So we have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2, expanding all these numbers to their base. Then we have 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Now let's assign indices. From 2, 0, the indices are assigned on the base. Sorry, this is 3, 4, and 5. Now let's start from here this time. 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 32 times 1, we have 32. 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 16 times 1, we have 16. 2 raised to the power 0, 8. 8 times 0, we obtain 0. 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4 times 1, we obtain 4. 2 raised to the power 1, we have 2. 2 times 0, that is 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. So let's add up all the numbers. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 32 will give us 53. So we have 53, and that is in base 10. Now the next thing we want to do is to convert this base 10 number down to base 3, which is the given base. That means we are dividing 53 by 3. Now 3 divided 5, we have 1, remainder 2. Write 2 in front of 3. 3 into 23 will give us 7, remainder 2. All right, so when you divide 53 by 3, you have 17, remainder 2. So we divide by 3 again. 3 into 17 will give us 5, remainder 2. Now 3 divide 5, we have 1, remainder 2. Then 3 divide 1 will give us 0, remainder 1. That is, 3 cannot divide 1, so write 0 and carry 1. So our answer in base 3 becomes 1, 2, 2, 2 in base 3. So we've converted this number to this number in base 3. Let's solve question number 3. So number 3 question is in base 5 and we are converting to base 6. So let's expand to base 10 first. 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 5 plus 1 times 5. Now we assign indices. 5 raised to power 3 will give us 125. Multiplied by 2, we have 250. 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Times 3, we have 75. 5 raised to power 1 is 5. Times 4, 20. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1, 1. Then let's add up all the numbers. 1 plus 20 is 21. Plus here we have 96. Then 96 plus 250. We have 346, and that is in base 10. So let's convert the base 10 number down to base 6. So we'll be having 346 divided by 6. So let's divide. 6 divided 34 should give us 5, remainder 4. I'll put the 4 behind 6. So what we have is 46. 6 divided 46 will give us 7, remainder 4. Now we divide again. 6 divided 57 will give us 9, remainder 3. Now 6 divided 9 will give me 1, remainder 3. We divide again. 6 divided 1 cannot go, so you write 0 and carry 1. So the answer becomes 1334 in base 6. Now I'll do the fourth one and do the fifth one. I'll leave you with this as an assignment. Let's convert this to base 16. So we expand first. 5 times 8 plus 4 times 8 plus 7 times 8. Assign indices. All right. 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 7, we have 7. 8 raised to the power 1 is 8. 8 times 4, we have 32. 8 raised to the power 2 is 64. 64 times 5, that will give us 320. Then let's add up everything. 7 plus 32 will give us 39. Plus here we have 59. So we have 359, and that is in base 10. Let's now convert it to a base 16 number. So we are having to divide 359 by 16. Now 16 divided 35 should give us 2, remainder 3. I'll put it in front of 39. 16 divided 39 will give me 2, remainder 7. Then we divide again. 16 divided 22, 1, remaining 6. Then 16 divided 1 cannot go, so 0, remainder 1. So converting this guy, we have 167 to base 16. And lastly, we are going to do this one now. So to convert this to base 8, the first thing we have to do is to convert this to base 10. So we are going to expand. We'll say 2 times 16 plus D in number base system is 13. Remember that when you get to 9, if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, from 10, you start using alphabets A, B, C, D, E, and F. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is D. I'll say 13 times 16. Then 5 times 16. And A is 10. 10 times 16. So let's assign indices 0, 1, 2, and 3. So let's multiply. 16 power 0 is 1. 1 times 10, we have 10. 16 power 1 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. 16 power 2 is 256. 256 times 13 that will give us 3,328. Then 16 raised to power 3 times 2 is giving us 8,192. Now let's add everything together. We have 11,610, and that is in base 10. So let's convert it down to base 8. 8 divided 11 will give me 1 remainder 3. Put it behind 6 or in front of 6. Now 8 divided 36 will give me 4 remainder 4. I put it in front of 1. I have 41. 8 divided 41 will give me 5 remainder 1. Put it in front of 0. 8 divided 10 will give me 1 remainder 2. We divide again. 8 divided 14 will give me 1 remainder 6. Put the 6 in front of 5 and divide. 8 divided 65 will give me 8 remainder 1. Put it in front of 1. Now 8 divided 11 will give me 1 remainder 3. We divide 181 by 8. 8 divided 16 should give me, 18 should give me 2 remainder 2. Put the 2 in front of 1, you have 21. 8 divided 21 will give us 2 remainder 5. Now let's divide here. 8 divided 22 should give me 2 remainder 6. Now 8 cannot divide 2, so we have 0 remainder what? 2. So having converted to base 8, we obtain 26532. Remember, we are taking it from down to the up, and this is now in base 8. So this is how we convert numbers from one base to another base other than base 10. Okay, we pass through the roots of base 10 to the base we are looking for. Now remember, this is for you for an assignment. Solve it, drop your answer in the comment section. I'll come back to check it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video, share it to your friends, and follow for more interesting math tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet you in my next upload. Bye.